Hey guys, hope you all are doing good and welcome back to my YouTube channel The AVL Investments and Solutions. Today we are going to discuss about the IPO of Paytm, which is a subsidiary of 197 Communications. So we will be discussing about the details of the IPO and the company details, including what are the financials of that company and what are its qualitative factors and what is the expected return on listing and whether we should hold it for short term or long term purposes. So let's start the video for the day. First of all, let's know about the IPO. So this IPO is going to open on 8th of November 2021 and going to close on 10th of November 2021 and its allotment will be made by 15th of November 2021 and this IPO will be listed on the exchanges on 18th of November 2021 and its one lot consists of 6 shares and which will cost us rupees 12,900 per lot and its face value for one share will be rupees 1 only, but its IPO price band is from 2080 to 2150 and this IPO is of 18,300 crores, which is the biggest IPO in the Indian history. So now let's know about the company details. The company named 197 Communications was incorporated in the year 2000 and it is the India's leading digital ecosystem for consumers as well as merchants. In 2009, it launched the first digital payment app which is known as Paytm app for cashless transactions. Now, it enables its customers to do various transactions like bill payments, insurance buying, making investments, applying for IPO, online money transferring, etc. Not only this, in the upcoming times, the company is also going to allow the international transactions as well. But firstly, this was established as mobile recharge platform only. Now, let's know about the qualitative factors of the company. This company is the first one to introduce digital payments, so it also gets the advantage of being an early bird. And this company provides the vast portfolio of services and products as well. This company is not only operating in India but also in Canada and Japan as well and is also going to expand its business in other countries as well. At present, this company is having approximately 333 millions of customers and 21 millions of merchants and still increasing. Now, let's have a look at its financials. Here, we can see that the revenues of the companies are fluctuating, but its losses are decreasing from time to time. So, here we can say that at present this company is making heavy losses, but as per the business model, it seems that this company will be a profit making one in the upcoming years. Now, let's have a look on the objective of the company for raising funds. As they are planning to expand their business and want to invest in the new business initiative along with the strategic partnerships. So, for the growth and strengthening of the Paytm ecosystem, the company is raising funds and also for the dilution of some stake by the promoters and also to cope up with the working capital expenditure. Now let's have a look on its competitors. Its peers are PhonePe, MobiKwik, Freecharge, PayUbiz, JustPay and PayWord, etc. Now let's know about the reviews or ratings given by the top companies whether to apply for this IPO or not. So some companies reviewed about this IPO that they may apply for this IPO, but they are not yet confident on this that this company will give us the listing gains. But if we check its subscriptions on the day 1, then it is subscribed near about 18% only on the day 1. And after considering the unstated factors as well for this company, or we can say for this IPO, I think that this IPO will not be good for the listing gains. But yes, we can consider it if we want to hold it for some time or a longer period of time. And also, 2 more IPOs are coming in the same week. So, we will check them whether we can apply them for listing gains or not. So, stay connected and we will upload the details of the other IPOs soon. I hope you all will find this video useful and informative. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates on time. And if you want to open your Demat account, then a link is given in the description box. And find more details in the description box. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.